Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the point. Open a browser or the Gmail app and sign into the account you plan to remove. Make sure you're on a trusted network and that you remember the Gmail address. If not, use recovery options to regain access. Once signed in, navigate to your avatar in the top right and click Account or Manage your Google account. This takes you immediately into settings where the removal option lives, so don't linger. Next, go into Data and Privacy or Security, depending on the interface, because that's where delete controls are. You'll choose Delete a Google service to remove Gmail only, or delete your Google account to remove everything. You must re-enter your password and complete two-factor authentication if enabled. This protects your data. Once verified, follow the prompts. Confirm which data will be lost, check required boxes, and hit delete. Make sure you save any emails or contacts before confirming. Finally, verify that Gmail is removed by checking the account page or waiting for a confirmation email to an alternate address. If you deleted only Gmail, other Google services should remain. If you deleted the whole account, everything is gone, so be sure you exported data beforehand. If something goes wrong, try clearing the browser cache or using a different device. Make sure two-factor codes are available. If you still can't complete the process, use Google's account recovery. Flow immediately to a temp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.